I'm gonna do that, first I'm going to invite you to subscribe to the channel. You can do that by hitting that little icon that you see on the screen, and then tap the little bell so you get notified every time I upload new video. It's always Costa Rica related, and I strive for non-edited, very pure videos, so to give you a very good impression about my Costa Rica living type of life. So if you have done that, or if you already had, amazing. Costa Rica living, how does it look like? First of all, very upfront, it really depends on what you decide how it looks like. We don't live in a compound. We don't live in a big city. We live more or less on the countryside. We don't drive in a very modern car.
Super modern.
Super modern? No,
Super modern.
Tell me more about the car, Dirk.
It's super modern in '87, but it's unstoppable beast.
It is an unstoppable beast car, which can handle this, and I'm gonna show you how our Costa Rica living looks like. So, hold on. Little bit of details about why we ended up here. We came from Playa Coyote, and this playa is called, how is this called, Dirk?
I don't know.
This is like a highway on the beach, because it's possible, because it's low tide. But this car can handle this. Not every car can handle this, okay? We have been looking at a property in Coyote, which is at the peninsula de Nicoya. This is not Costa Rica living for everyone. If you want luxury, if you want a compound, if you want to have a garden, I'm not sure if this is the type of life for you. But we live on the peninsula de Nicoya already, close to Santa Teresa and Montezuma. Look, while I'm chatting, I just want you to see this. Is this cool or what, you know? So, since we love the kind of off-grid, rural type of style of living Costa Rica, this is our area. We love to go to San Jose, Escazú, Santa Ana, when we need a dentist, specialized treatment, when we need some shopping. When our laptops break, we buy it there. Okay? Oh my god. Look, I'm gonna keep chatting because this is about Costa Rica living. Oh, this is how I live with Dirk. And I lost my story. Where was I?
In the car.
What?
Here in the car.
Okay, I'm in the car. Well, anyway, so yeah, we also love other parts. We've been to Orosi, we've been to Puerto Viejo. Costa Rica has, you must know, Costa Rica living, there's not one type of Costa Rica living. Costa Rica has about 11 microclimates. Do you know? 11 microclimates. That means there's parts of Costa Rica where it's freezing at night. There's parts of Costa Rica where it's bloody hot all year round. That's, by the way, the part that we live. But this is the type of Costa Rica living we like. We like adventure. We like rural. We like dust and humidity to the fullest. We like the beach highway that brings us to Manzanillo. This beach highway is well known. It's not legal, but it is also not illegal because everyone uses it because it brings two towns together, and that really saves you about 2 hours drive. So the cool thing about our Costa Rica living is that, well, I'm gonna be honest, we are able to design our own lives because we have online businesses. We have a laptop business, we can work from anywhere. And that means that if you know how to run an online business, also called a laptop business or digital nomad business, you can call it however you want to call it. But that can bring you anywhere in the world as long as you have access to Wi-Fi at certain moments. You don't have to have Wi-Fi always, but just to upload, download, do marketing and stuff. But I'm not going to explain how that business is set up. But if in case you're curious and you think, oh, I want to have a choice, I want to design my own type of Costa Rica living life. I don't want to be stuck to a specific job or business or brick and mortar business that keeps you stuck. No, then just go ahead and click the link below. That brings you to a starter's course that exactly explains step by step on how our business is built, how affiliate marketing works, and how you can just work 1 to 3 hours a day living this amazing Costa Rica lifestyle, which means a lot to me. It's not about money. Oh, there's lots of horses there. Hold on. People say, I don't have to be rich. I don't have to be a millionaire. And I always say, well, that's cool, my friend. Just calculate, what do you need to live your perfect day, your perfect lifestyle, your dream life in Costa Rica? What do you need for that on average per month? As you can see in the distance, let me tune in. You see some horses, caballos. It's a tour, obviously. If you love to have a horse, yeah, you need to have a budget for a horse, for a vet, for everything. You want to just, I don't know what you want to do. Perhaps you love to surf, perhaps you love luxury, perhaps you love very simple life. It's all possible. If I look at the people on the horses, hola!
Yeah.
I think this is all kinds of people from all kinds of hola, hola! From all walks of life, enjoying Costa Rica. And I always hope that they have enough budget to come as much as they want to Costa Rica, or to ride as much as they like horses. That's what I call life by design. That is, for me personally, Muriel, that you know from my Costa Rica channel, and Dirk, my driver right now, that is what I call Costa Rica living. Life by design. The life that we want to live, ideally. This has nothing to do with job slavery and being able to live in Costa Rica, but working full days and being inside in a stupid office. No, this is Costa Rica living for me. But I'm always honest, it's personal. I know a lot of people are really happy with a job, they work in a restaurant, they just, you know, I don't know what they do, but I just want to give you options. Look, there's 2 motorcycles on the beach. But this is where the beach road ended. We're gonna drive now. What?
I wanted to get off here, but it's close.
No, we go through Manzanillo. So now we're driving through Manzanillo. We lived here very nearby. That was the start of our Costa Rica living, coming from the Netherlands. So if you don't know our story, like if you wonder, hey Muriel, how did your Costa Rica life started? Well, we started from the Netherlands. We already worked online, and before we had a successful online business, and we're teaching people from all over the world how to start one as well. I was a social worker, and Dirk was a restaurant owner. Now, would you like to go back to your old life, Dirk?
No!
Why not?
I have to work very hard.
Would you be able to live in Costa Rica if you would have 3 restaurants in the Netherlands?
Well, no, of course not. But even if I had 3 restaurants here,
Yeah.
I would be working 70, 80 hours a week. So
Yeah.
why would I move to here? I
Okay.
can do that in the Netherlands.
So that's what I mean with slavery of work. With all respect for people who love their work and job and business, it's all good. It's just to explain how we created our Costa Rica living type of style. Are we taking the down road? Okay. Sure, we take the beach road. That's beautiful, by the way. It's sunset time, afternoon. Anyways, I'm a little bit distracted. So, anyways, this video is just an impression, not the impression of Costa Rica living. This is an impression, a personal impression of Dirk and Muriel's, the Sunshine Family's Costa Rica living. This is the places that we love. We love beaches. We are online entrepreneurs. We have property. We're investing in property. We just wanted to raise our kids surrounded by this and show them the world and wildlife. We have a lot of monkey families living on our property, and there's wild crocs and all kinds of wildlife here. I think Costa Rica is #1 in beautiful animals that gladly still live in the wild. In the Netherlands, we have to see them in the zoo, and that makes me so sad. So It is my intention with this video, guys. Thanks for watching, to inspire you about Costa Rica living. And I want to motivate you. Strive to design your perfect Costa Rican living style. Costa Rica living style. You can live in the suburb. You can live in a big city. You can live in a little cottage on the beach. You can live in a tent. You can live in a big mansion. You can design your life. And I assure you, if you know how to, if you have funding for that, I congratulate you. If you don't have funding for that, it means that you might miss some skills on how to build an online business or how to have cash flow going. Well, don't hesitate to go to the description below, check out all the things that Dirk and I offer. I wrote books, we have digital courses, I have a coaching program, we teach what affiliate marketing is. I wrote a book, 7 Steps to Move to Costa Rica. I'm here to inspire you, and I think I put too much information in this one video. I could have made 2 videos of it, but I was so excited to show you this while living it. And this is why I love making videos. I just show what I'm doing, guys. Not complicated editing. It's not like this is wow. And I hope that you enjoyed it. Big hugs also from Dirk.